Lockdown vandu I was sitting at home. I lost the touch of being an actor. All the rowdies are scared of me. Don't annoy me. All of you sit in one place. Why are you making me? Why are you? அம்மா ஆமா இல்ல அம்மம்மா I think Yuvan sir, I met him during the shoot itself. Yeah, the set only, and I find him to be so cute. Okay. Like dancing with him was so easy. I feel motherly love to all these boys. I was equally irritating everyone. Yeah, the world needs more people like you. God bless you. What do you think I should do? I've always wanted to be in Tamil industry. It's finally happening. So I'm here. First direct Tamil film சொல்லணும்னா it's a very surreal moment. எதுக்குன்னா everyone knows Tamil industry வந்து டெபியூ பண்ணணும்னு ரொம்ப ஆசையில் இருந்தேன். இப்போ பாசிபிள் ஆச்சு. ஸோ ஐம் சூப்பர் எக்ஸைட்டட். April 2nd I start being a Tamil heroine. So I'm very excited and it makes me truly happy. As in I'm proud to be a part of this film. Rather than saying I'm happy to be a part of this film, I'm proud to be a part of this film. Sultan vandappo, it made me extremely happy because it is exactly what I was looking for. It was exactly what I was manifesting for and I got it. So yeah, it was very exciting. Ana ange poi shoot pannanappo it was extremely hot because we were shooting in Dindigal and the weather, I think we were shooting in summer and it was huge space that put a set and there were mountains and all of that. So it was a difficult location to be shooting in. And also this character, she's riding the tiller, she's holding the, she's holding the animals just like that. You know how they do it in the village, and I'm not used to that. So it was all very new. Anna, I had super fun. So I think even now I keep raving about, you have to watch me in Sultan because it is mental. So I think yeah, I'm just very excited for the April 2nd, that's all. Thank you. ஆமா தமிழ் இவ்ளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டீங்க. சோ டயலாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் எப்படி நீங்க பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணீங்க அங்க உங்களுக்கு? Our rowdies ku vandu naan da rowdy. So I think all the rowdies are scared of me. Yeah, so I'm like, hey, don't annoy me. All of you sit in one place, keep your hands on the lip. Even if they're rowdies on films and all, no, they're dolls, man. Like I'm like, how can ana rowdy paapingla, like you, yeah, look rowdy da irpinga, but mansu vandu romba they're yeah, they're childish, they're small. So I feel motherly love to all these boys. How did you manage talking Tamil for the dialogues and all? As in, for me, it takes me 1-2 days to get comfortable. When I get the dialogues and all, I'm like, this I can do. So all the dialogues were quite easy, but when in the morning I have to speak in Hindi or Telugu and now I have to speak in Tamil na mudiyadu. Now I need 1 day at least. Glass அப்படிதான் இருப்பீங்க. I'm kidding. No, why will I say glass edunga? No. But settle vanda, I think I like working in easy atmosphere. இப்போ வந்து ஸ்டார் வந்தாங்க, everyone should get up, everyone should sit like this na முடியாதுங்க. For me it has to be like everyone are pulling each other's leg, everyone are enjoying, everyone are dancing in one corner, everyone are playing cricket. That is a set I like to be in. And I think our set la vandu all of them were pulling my leg. I was equally irritating everyone. So we were a good mix of everything. And Karthi sir, he's a big actor, all of us know, but in the set when he comes, he's just like, one of our friends. And that's why I was saying, I found a friend in you, because he was more like my friend than like my co-star. So I was like, yeah, the world needs more people like you. God bless you. Thank you for your existence.
Constantly, everybody is saying it's very first film in Tamil, but you don't feel like it's the first film.
I know. I honestly was like, Hare, Tamil industry is my industry. Full chilya, those, those kids are my kids. Are the Now I'm like, Hare, Baki. I was talking to Baki Raj sir, and I was like, sir, it actually na first Tamil pada sir. Namma module sir. It is a surreal moment because all my life I've been watching Tamil films, and now I'm in the Tamil industry and I'm working with such amazing people with such good content. I'm like, okay, wait a second. எதுக்குன்னா லாக்டவுனில் வந்து I was sitting at home. I lost the touch of being an actor.
Okay.
I'm like, now I'm just one girl. I'm sitting and talking to my parents. I'm here, I'm chilling. But suddenly I'm like, I'm in an industry. I'm an actor. Oh my god, இப்ப responsibility இருக்கு. I'm like, oh shit, this is happening.
The reality.
Yeah, like it's just like one poke in my bubble and my bubble bursts and I'm like, I'm an actor. I'm like, now how do I react? But it's special, yeah. I've always wanted to be in Tamil industry. It's finally happening. So I'm here.
So Tamil fans பத்தி சொல்லுங்க.
Tamil fans வந்து I think Geetha Govindam time no, actually Kirik Party time only I had well wishes from Tamil Nadu. It's I think somewhere they saw me and they're like, we like you, because they're from Chennai, no? And my father, like I said, we've grown up watching Tamil films, and now that I have well wishes from Chennai, I'm like, now I feel nice. I feel nice. All of us will put some Tamil song and we'll dance to it, okay? And we'll eat pongal, okay?
In 6 years, இப்போ 6th year enter ஆறீங்க cinema. So
Hey, no.
5 years.
Why are you making me? Why are you?
21. Yeah, 5 years. So இவ்வளோ
Okay.
languages, இவ்வளோ reach. So how blessed do you feel about yourself?
I am definitely blessed. I don't know if I'm blessed by God or I'm blessed by people, because I feel like I've received so much love and I keep receiving so much love. No matter where I go, they're just so accepting. I don't know what I've done to deserve this love, but I feel like now, because there is so much of love, I have responsibility. Now I need to choose films which will make people happy and give content which, entertain people, because I'm an entertainer. Now I have that responsibility. So if you say, am I blessed? I am blessed, but I'm blessed with the love, I'd say.
பேசுற dialogues எங்களுக்கு பேசி காமிக்கணும். Any dialogues?
Amma, it's been more than 1.5 years. I don't remember. I don't have such good memory also. Class edu. Shoulders keela panna. That's all I know from the trailer.
நார்மலி வந்து ஒரு காமெடியன் செட்ல இருந்தாலே வந்து பயங்கர ஃபன்னா இருக்கும். இது யோகி பாபு, சென்ட்ராயன், நீங்க வேற அப்பப்போ ஃபன் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. ஸோ ஷூட்டிங் ஸ்பாட் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எப்படி இருந்தது? ஒரு ஃபைட் ஃபிலிம்ல ஒரு காமெடியன்ஸோட எப்படி இருந்தது உங்களுக்கு?
Actually, Yogi Babu sir ne ippo I was shooting for Pushpa in Tenkasi, and I just met him there. He was staying right next door, and I was like, sir, how long it's been since I've seen you. Because I remember in Sultan's set also, expression, he doesn't do any expression. He'll just give off one, dialogue like that. One liner like that, and you won't realize it's a joke, but after that you're thinking about it and you're laughing. He's that kind of a person. And Settler vandu, when sir is given one dialogue, he'll own the dialogue. He won't say it like how, it is supposed to be said. He will say it in his own way, and we have to just take the cue. So you need to be present. Like when he's saying something, you need to be present, because if you miss the timing, the humor is off. So it was a task to work with such good actors, but well, I became a better actor working with such good actors.
நிறைய தமிழ் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் உங்களை எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணலாமா? யார் உங்களோட ஃபேவரட் ஹீரோ லிஸ்ட் ஏதாவது இருக்கா?
Industrial one I learned one thing, ma'am. No matter what, even if it's a good thing or a bad thing, never take out names. That one thing I've learned. Hard way or a good way, I've learned it. After Sultan's release, I'll start signing Tamil films. அப்போ பார்க்கலாம்.
உங்களோட கவரிங் சாங்க்கு டிக்டாக் பண்ணாத யாருமே இல்லை, பசங்களே பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. இதுல விவேக் மோகன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. அந்த மியூசிக் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அந்த தமிழ் பாட்டுல நீங்க வரீங்க இப்போ. இது எந்த பாட்டு டிக்டாக் பண்ணுவாங்க, இது ரீல்ஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க, இவ்வளவு வெயிட் எடுத்துருக்கீங்க நீங்க?
We heard all the songs, and I was telling Vivek sir and Marvin sir that, sir, நீங்க pass ஆயிடுங்க. Like, you've passed your exam. இப்போ வந்து April 2nd is our result time. So I don't know how it's going to be, but you just heard the music. They're amazing.
Your favorite among
My introduction song, like my song. I own that song. I'm not giving it to anybody. That's my song.
தமிழ் நல்லா பேச போறீங்க.
Inge, I think if I'm staying here in Chennai for at least 2-3 days, I can speak properly. இப்போ starting problem ங்க. Comfortable ஆனா?
I know it's not connected to Sultan, but I want to ask you this Top Tucker song experience with Yuvan sir. I'm a huge fan of Yuvan song. So, few experience working with him and the song.
I think Yuvan sir, I met him during the shoot itself. Yeah, the set only, and I find him to be so cute.
Okay.
Like, dancing with him was so easy. You can see it on the video only. You can see me having fun, dancing with Yuvan sir. But all of us know what a mastermind he is, and I got to share the dance with him, so I'm happy. And he's one very quiet, fellow. So I only would go and be like, sir. And it was cold. We were shooting in Chandigarh, and it was super cold. I was like, sir, it's cold, no, sir. Sir, we'll go off, sir. We'll go off to Chennai, sir. Podu, sir. Let's go back foot.
ஃபாலோவர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு இருக்காங்க. ஸோ சொல்லுங்களேன், எப்படி அந்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கு? எவ்வளோ ஃபேன் ஃபாலோவர்ஸ் உங்களை எப்படி லவ் பண்ணாங்க சொல்லுங்க.
Fans, as in, இப்போ எவ்வளோ ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கேன்னா, I think that's the main reason. Because initially negativity ரொம்ப டார்ச்சராக இருந்தது. But I think for now, because I see such strong love from my fans, or fans, I don't like calling them fans. I just call them, like, I don't know, I just can't call them as fans. I don't know what to call. I can call them Russians, but okay. But that aside, what am I saying? I think because of their strong love, I'm not getting into the negative space. Now I just want to work, I just want to make them happy. I just want to see smiles on their faces, and they mean the world to me. So it's my family, friends, and my well-wishers. So I have mama feelings for them. I'm protective, and I have love.
எந்த ஜானருக்காக நீங்க பயங்கரமா வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? இந்த ஜானர் கட்சா இன்னி படம் எடுத்துருவேன்.
What do you think I should do? Ye genre. Yes. No, வேணாங்க. Police, full action, or
Some biopic?
politician.
Biopic?
Biopic is interesting.
ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்
Sports girl முடிஞ்சிருச்சு. No, because see, for me as an actor, I always want to challenge myself, and I want to do something more. See, I will do this very sweet, very nice, very cute girl and all, but next time please give me some, yeah, I feel like I have the body for it. I work out also, so I'm strong. People know that I'm strong. I'll do some action and all of that, and a face வேற body வேற ஆச்சு என்ன பண்ணும். So I think
அந்த ஃபேஸ் கியூட்டா இருக்கு. You don't have
imagine me being this character who is cute but yet raw, like twisted. Okay, but I like doing something which is challenging.
What is the best piece of advice you ever had from the industry, and who told it? What did it tell you?
I've received a lot of advices because I think I'm this person who asks for advices. I always love it when my co-stars or my directors or anyone who I'm working with come and tell me anything about life. I'll take it. So for me, the recent one of the best advices I've received is, you are the person who you choose to be. Like, you make your choices, and that makes you the person who you are going to be tomorrow. So I was like, as an actor, that made the huge amount of sense, because if I choose the right films, I am going to be a superstar tomorrow. you know, one of my co-stars said, women don't have shelf life. They choose to have shelf life. Because you guys work yourself out so much, by the, you know, mid-30s and 40s, you just want to retire and just chill.
கார்த்தி சார் கிட்ட இருந்து இந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தை நான் எடுத்துக்குவேன். This quality I will take it from him அப்படின்னா what quality is that from கார்த்தி sir, பாகியராஜ் sir?
I think with Karthi sir, it would be being present. Being present, I think he's extremely present to the reality. Even if he's such a big star, like I said, when he's around, he's just us, you know. And I believe that I'm not a star yet, but when I get to where he is now, I want to be like him. You know, it's that. And Baki sir, I think Baki sir is one baby. So I have a mama, again, protective feel towards him. So what do I take from him? Dealing with everything the way he does. I don't know if I can do it or if I'm doing it, but when I see it, I like it.
Okay.
Actually, last question.
So, ma'am.
விஜய் தேவரோட எல்லாமே இந்த இன்டர்வியூ ஃபினிஷ் பண்ண முடியாது. உங்க லைஃப்ல மிகப்பெரிய சக்சஸ் கொடுத்த காம்பவுண்டிங். ஸோ அவரை பத்தி 2 few words சொல்லுங்க.
Last one more question.
Anna, I've worked with so many people. How can you just ask me about him? No, of course, he's a very dear friend of mine, and 2 films I've done with him, and 2 of my biggest films, of course, because the script was like that. It demanded certain, you know, the amount and whatever. But I think, yeah, like you asked me, I've taken a lot of advices from him also, and yeah, like I said, I found a friend in him also. Karthi sir. I have so many co-stars. I'm so proud of all my co-stars. Okay.
Okay. நிறைய ரூமர்ஸ் உங்களை பத்தி வருது. தளபதி படத்துல ரஷ்மிகா இருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிற ரூமர் தான் கண்டினியூஸா வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. அதை நாங்க நம்பலாமா வேண்டாமா?
இந்த ரியாக்ஷன்ல கன்ஃபார்ம்
இல்ல மேம்.
ஏன்னா அப்போல இருந்தே வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. ரஷ்மிகா கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம்.
பெரிய ஃபேன் மேம், அவ்வளோதான். பெரிய ஃபேன். ஆனால் will I?
ரூமர்ஸ்
விஜய் மேனேஜரும் உங்களுக்கு பார்க்குற மேனேஜரும் சேம் பர்சன் தான். அப்போ 80% பாசிபிலிட்டி.
அம்மா ஆமா இல்லை அம்மம்மா
நாங்க ஸ்லோ மோஷன்ல ஆமா ஆமான்னு போட்டுறோம்.
இல்லை பட் one day I hope I get to work with him. One day I hope I get to meet him. But I've been a huge fan.
Even we are waiting.
one day. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் பேர் ரஷ்மிகா வந்தனாங்க. ஏப்ரல் 2 வந்து சுல்தான் ரிலீஸ் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. எல்லோருமே பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவீங்க ஏன்னா ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அவ்வளோதாங்க. பாருங்கள், என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள்.